everyone, welcome to Career Zone. So today I will discuss about the topic which is HTML. What is HTML? You must have heard about this language. Basically, it is a kind of a markup language which helps us to create a website. It is basically used for designing the website and web pages. Now let us see what is the difference between or what is hypertext markup language and web page. Hypertext is actually a text within a text. So a text creates a link within it, and by clicking on that link, that website is takes you to a different page, which is called as a web page. Then what is markup language? Markup language is basically a computer language which helps you to define, or you can say gives a different kind of layout to your website or different kind of colors to make your website look perfect. And what is web page? A web page is a page which we are going to design by using this HTML, that is markup language. So basically you can say that HTML is called as hypertext markup language, which is a markup language which has different kind of tags already defined or predefined, which is used for designing a web page by applying different kind of layouts, colors to make it more attractive. So let us now see some of the features of HTML. The first one is easy to learn and platform independent, which means that it is very easy to learn the HTML language because there are very easy predefined tags which already defines that what needs to be done, or whenever you define those kind of tags, what is how the task is going to be performed or how the output is being seen on the web page. Platform independent means that it runs on any operating system. It is not bounded that a particular operating system is required to create a web page in an HTML, because the coding of HTML is done in Notepad, which is present in every computer in each of the operating system. So now the second one is that HTML is not case sensitive language, which means that uppercase and lowercase are not treated differently. You can write the coding both in uppercase, or which is capital letters, and lowercase, which is small letters. So both the letters can be used for writing the code. It is not going to make the difference in the tags. The last one is it does not require any technical knowledge to learn HTML. Obviously, you are not going to use any technical terms or maybe any kind of tools or any hardware, extra hardware devices or anything. You can easily learn from the steps which I will be describing here, or you can take the help of any of the book also online, or maybe any book you are having with you for HTML. No additional tools are required, or no technical knowledge is required to learn HTML. You can even run the HTML programs into your smartphones. So let us now see that how you can create a simple HTML file. So to create an HTML file, you have to open a notepad screen first of all in front of you from your desktop. Go to the start button and open a notepad file. And then you have to write the basic tags of HTML. First we have to write the HTML, which is the mandatory tag. And you can write both in a small or a capital letter. Then you have to write the head tag. You have to note down the sequence also. The heading will be written first and then the title, and title will be closed. So the text which you write inside the head tag, that will appear inside the web page, and whatever you write on the title tag, that will appear on the title bar of the web page. Then comes the body, where I am writing, hi, I am a programmer. So this will appear also inside the web page after the heading, right? So then we will close the body tag, head tag, and then the HTML tag. After that we will try to execute the file. For executing the file, you have to save it with .html extension. So suppose I'm going to the desktop and saving my file. Once you save it with .html extension, it will be after the file got saved, it will show the icon of a web browser, whatever the default browser is in your system, mobile or maybe computer, and then you have to double click it to execute it. You can even open it with some other browsers as well, whatever you want. And for making it editable, you can just right click and click on the open with Notepad. I have understood that how to create a HTML file using the Notepad. And now if you have understood and like my video, then press the bell icon, subscribe to my channel and share it. I'll be back again with the new topic. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.